It has on?
I just unplugged it because we keep throwing the breaker inside the door.
Oh, okay. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Patrick.
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
Patrick's just trying to take some things off.
Where's the sausage dog? Where's the sausage dog? Oh my God, there's one fucking sausage. Hey, Mimi. That's the first time you've been nice to the camera. Every time I put it to you, you tell it to go away.
I don't like it. You've seen my driver's license.
Is it warm in there?
Yeah, it's been on most of the time, but now, when he plugs his plug in, it'll go off.
Are there fuses in the we ain't lost that one.
Fan's still running.
Hi.
Oh, okay. No.
Excuse me, Patrick. I gotta turn the warmer back
Come
on.
to the camera.
Hi.
Boo, Alabama.
Come on.
Dad, when are the sausage dogs getting here?
I don't know. I don't know, Patrick. When they're gonna be here.
Thank you.
Guess he ain't bringing any today, Patrick.
No, that's not fair. My life is over. I have nothing to live for. Do you want to say something?
Not really. Not right now.
But the camera loves you.
But not now.
That's not fair. My life is over.
I'm sorry. You're not gonna die
Okay,
like
go.
that.
Go get something to drink.
Mimo just got you Pepsi.
When I first got here.
Oh. Are you telling everybody this is the final Gator barbecue for this year?
This is the final Gator barbecue.
Right. Come on out and buy some of the South's finest barbecue.
Why would you tell them that? Once it goes on YouTube, it's over. Anyway, so, yeah.